Hello everyone, welcome back to Cybernova. Today we are going to dive into network scanning and host discovery. In our previous videos, we have already discussed what scanning is and how to set up a vulnerable virtual machine. Now let's see what information we can gather by scanning that machine. But before we do that, we need to discover what machines are active on our network and their IP addresses. Imagine you're tasked with scanning your home network to discover vulnerable machines. The first step is to figure out how many hosts are active. There are several ways to do this. For instance, if you know the possible hosts for your network are in the range from 192.168.180.1 to 192.168.180.255, you could ping each one to see if they respond. But what if you had to test more than one network? That's where tools like ARP and NetDiscover come in handy. ARP, which stands for Address Resolution Protocol, is a tool in Kali Linux that's used for discovering hosts on the network. To use ARP tool in terminal, type ARP-A. However, sometimes you must ping a host first before it appears in your ARP tables. That's why a much better option is a tool called NetDiscover. NetDiscover is a simple, effective tool that finds all the available devices on your network on its own. You don't have to ping anything or communicate with anything. Just run the command sudo netdiscover in your terminal and it will find all the devices on your network. Once you have discovered the hosts on your network, the next step is to scan each one. In our next video, we will be scanning our metasploitable machine, and you can also scan your home machines for even more practice. That's all for today. See you in the next video.